you guys, it's Shundara. What is up, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be trying the Ordinary's Mandelic acid 10% plus AHA. So 1 ounce of this Mandelic acid will run you $6.80. It's just really simple. I've been using it for a few weeks. With that being said, let's go ahead and swatch this product. Okay, so here's what the product looks like. I think this is what it looks like. So, I mean, it's just a real clear liquid, as you can see, bam, but I just want to show you guys that it's really thin, it's not thick, and it really seeps into the skin. There you have it. I mean, wow, that was so easy. It smells like nothing. It has an offset of, I would say, honey, but you know what, let's go ahead and put this on our face. I already know I'm gonna get slapped for applying the Doppler applicator. You know, y'all always got something to say about how I apply this, so you know, let's just talk about it. You guys do know companies, if you are in America, I don't know the ones in the other countries, but here oh my god, it's in my mouth. I will say here in America, the FDA requires all skincare products to have a preservative in it. So this product is not going to get any bacteria no matter how many times I put it on my skin. I know y'all, I don't understand why every 5th comment I get, you guys are mad that I apply a Doppler to my skin. Mad. The FDA literally requires a preservative in most skincare products, and I am sure this product has a preservative in it just for that fact, so there is no bacteria to get in skincare products. And that is just from my knowledge from making skincare products over the course of so many years. You know, I've been doing this for a while, so you know there are preservatives in these products, so I never mind digging my hand in creams or anything like that. For those who always say, oh my god, you're applying a Doppler to your face, the product is going to have bacteria. You know where I think that came from? I think it came from Lush, because remember when you would go to Lush and they would hand make the products there, and then when you got home it would get mold or bacteria in it? That's because they didn't add a preservative. You need a preservative in most skincare products here in America. I don't know what they do in other countries, so if you guys know, please let me know in the comments down below. There is a little bit of a tingling sensation. I've used this product before and there was a little bit of a tingling sensation. So this is what my skin looks like after the Mandelic acid. Ooh, it is so hydrating. What do you guys think? God, so hydrating, huh? We have a lot to discuss. Go ahead and apply my Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Which one is this? The water gel? The water gel. I do want to say this, guys. So I am going to go ahead and be using my Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel. Yeah, this is the water gel. I like to do this after I use my Mandelic acid. I do want to say this. Please don't judge me. We just had the discussion about preservatives in skincare. I mean, really, that's the reason why preservatives are in skincare, so it doesn't get bacteria. Y'all really be giving me a lot of sass. I don't understand why I get so much sass. Anyways. Hey guys, so here is my skin after the Mandelic acid and water gel. I am gonna go ahead and wait 20 minutes to give y'all the full effect of this water gel and that Mandelic acid. Side note, I already know y'all gonna say it's not PM, it's daytime. We in quarantine. Where am I going? No, seriously, where am I going? What do y'all want from me? I already know y'all gonna talk about me. I can't win from losing with y'all. Okay, you guys, so here is my skin with the Ordinary's Mandelic acid plus AHA, as well as the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel with fragrance added. I just have to make these disclaimers because if I don't, ooh, child, the dislikes in the comment section will be in shambles. So, you know, I just have to make these disclaimers. Anyways, here is what my skin looks like. What do you guys think? Let me turn the light down. What do you guys think? Bam, 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 bam. Let's talk about it. Okay, you guys, let's talk about the Ordinary's Mandelic Acid 10% plus AHA and my thoughts on it. I will say this: if you do have sensitive skin, this is a great acid for you. However, if you are a first-time user of this acid and you have sensitive skin, you may want to be careful because it's going to cause some stinging, some burning sensations. It's done that to me about 3 times since I've used this Mandelic acid, and I don't have sensitive skin. I also want to say it literally the first day I used this Mandelic acid actually made my skin and tone much brighter. My skin tone looked really bright, really great. Like my skin looked really good, and that was the first time I used it. And I got up in the morning and I had a total different moisturizer than I have on right now. There were days when I did use this Mandelic acid as a mask, so I left it on my skin for 20 minutes and then I rinsed it off my skin. I just wanted to see what was the difference between keeping it on your skin overnight. In my opinion, there was virtually no difference between using it as a mask and using it overnight. I did notice that there was less texture in the morning when I got up as opposed to using it as a 20-minute mask. However, I had way less blackheads when I did use the Mandelic acid. It is a really great product. However, I do want to say this: sensitive skin people, please be careful with this product. It is an acid that is used as peeling and exfoliation, and it doesn't make claims that it is for sensitive skin. I looked all over the Ordinary's page and I looked on Sephora as well, and it says nothing about it's perfect for sensitive skin. So if you do have sensitive skin, you really need to be careful because there will be some type of burning and stingy sensation. However, it's not as harsh as other acids or other AHAs from the Ordinary and BHAs. It's not as potent as those. It's a little bit more gentler, but still be careful. Please do a patch test. If you can, do as I did the second time. Maybe you want to do it the first time. Leave it on for 20 minutes, maybe even 5 or 10 minutes. Rinse it off your face. See how your face reacts. Make sure you don't have no redness. Make sure you don't have any texture or any reaction to it. Look in the mirror a couple of good times to make sure there's nothing going on, because you are going to experience, especially if you're a first-time user to AHAs or BHAs, you are going to experience some stingy and some sensations. It may not be as harsh, but it is going to be there. Don't be expecting to go in with just nothing. Don't be expecting the exfoliation just to peel away the dead skin and you get no pain. I do want to say this: oily skin people, this product may not be for you. This product is very oily. It has a lot of hydration. This may be a hit or miss for you. I think combination skin people will love it. I think dry skin people as well. If you lean on oily, sensitive, it could be a hit or miss. If you lean on any of the combos, and depending on your climate, you could lean in any spectrum of the skincare realm. It may be you like it or you not like it. That's why I say please do a patch test first before you really go in, or please just wear it as a mask for about 5 to 10 minutes just to see if you like it. Look in the mirror constantly, especially if you're going to use it as a mask. Constantly look in the mirror, be like, okay. And if it's a day where you're not going anywhere, then make sure you really do a patch test in the morning. But make sure you ain't going nowhere, because you do not need to be in the sun, because your skin is going to burn, and I mean burn, honey. I also want to say this: when using this product, you have to watch your moisturizers, because certain moisturizers, this product could get really picky and finicky. I noticed when I use high-end moisturizers with this product, I did get a little bit of product buildup from the product. However, when I use moisturizers that were like water gels, gel creams, really very lightweight moisturizers. This product did wonderful. So you really got to watch out for your moisturizers, and especially because we are really hitting summer. I mean, we really ain't going nowhere. So I just wanted to say this. Y'all might as well just start bringing out the AHAs and BHAs, using them in the morning, afternoon. At this point, we not going nowhere. Where are we going? I'm just curious with this quarantine, where are we going? But aside from that, yeah, try it with different moisturizers. If you had a little bit of reactions to it, try it with different moisturizers to see if you break out or not. I will say this product really did even out my skin tone. It gave me a glass look. I mean, my texture was virtually not there. I did get a little bit of texture, but it eventually subsided. This is a really great product. I will say this, that you will get rid of hyperpigmentation, blackheads, and stuff like that over time with this product. It's not meant to be a heavy duty product where you would get rid of those problems fast, but this product does work over time. It's just going to take a little bit of time. Some people, especially first time users of this product, like when I first used it, will notice a lot of difference. And then for those who have used AHAs and BHAs before, but you want to try something a little gentler, and it being this product, you may not really see the difference. It may take you over time use to see the difference with this product. With that being said, you guys, let me know your comments down below about this acid. What do you think of it? Have you ever tried it? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.